back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick meal. Basically some leftovers, but the chicken in it is fresh. It's going to be a teriyaki chicken. But I had some rice that was left over from one of my meals. Also had some vegetables. This is my my leftover rice I'm going to make. Probably like a small fried rice or some veggies and rice. This is my mixed veggies. And this is my chicken. Like I say, the leftovers, a lot of people don't like leftovers. I like them. I eat them. So, let's get with it. First thing I'm doing, I'm going to turn my oven on about 400, let it preheat. Like I said, I got the chicken here. It's marinating. And I'm going to get started with the rice and the veggies here in a second. So, with that said, let's get busy. Oven is preheated, so I can go and put my chicken in my pan.